Hello everyone. Today we are going to make an amazing project. You see here, we can see that this is a needle, and let us try to put this thread into the needle. Let us try. Here, let us try it. No, let us try once again. No, let us once again. Oh no, it is very difficult to put this thread into this needle, right? It needs a lot of expertise to take this challenge, but if we use the magic of science, I can put this thread in this needle within a second. That I will going to show you. First, I am trying to put this thread into this needle. No, you see here that it is a very difficult task to put this thread into this needle. It is very difficult. It is, and for old age people it is much more difficult. For that we can use a scientific way to put this thread into the needle, and I can put this thread in this needle within a second. Just see how we are using the science. No, now you see it takes nearly 3 to 5 minutes to put the thread in this needle. It is a very difficult one to put the thread in the needle. It is very difficult. You see, this is very difficult. Yes, here you see I need at least 5 minutes to put the thread in the needle by trial and error method. That one is, there is a one method in which you can put the thread into the needle within 1 second. Yes, there is a method, and in there we have used the magic of science. You see that we are trying to put this thread in the needle, and it takes nearly 5 minutes. And if you are even if you are expertise in that subject, even if it takes at least 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. But if you want to put this thread in the needle within a second, you have to use the magic of science. You see here, we are trying to put this thread once again. Yes, I've done it, you see here. But it also takes 5 to 6 minutes to put the thread in the needle. But if you want to put this thread in the needle within a second, you have to use the magic of science. You just count the second I am trying to put this thread into the needle in another method, right? And you see, it takes only within a second I can put this thread in the needle. You see here. You see, I can put this thread in the needle within a second, and we are using the magic of science. You see here, we are putting the thread in the needle. Just count 1 to 3, and within 1 to 3 4 5, I can put this thread into the needle. You see, ready? 1, 2, and 3. See here, within seconds I put this thread into the needle. And here we have used the magic of science, right? Let's try once again. Within a second I can put this thread in the needle, right? Let's see once again. You see this one, right? Now see, within a second I can put this thread in the needle, because here I have used the magic of science. Right? You can see the thread, right? Now within a second I can put this thread into the needle with the help of magic of science. Just count 1 2 3 4 5, and within this 5 seconds I can put this thread into the needle. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. You see here, I have succeeded in putting the thread into the needle. You see here, this is a magic of science. You see here, within a second I put the thread into the needle. Let us try once again, right? Let us take once again. Within few seconds I can put the thread in the needle. You just see once again, because here I have used the magic of science. Later on I will tell you how to put the thread in the needle within a second. You see, this is the thread. Just count 1 2 3 4 5, and I will succeed in putting the thread into the needle. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Let us try once again. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. See here, we have succeeded in putting the thread into the needle within a second. But how we have done it? That is a question. Here you see, it is a use of science. We have used the magic of science to put the thread in the needle, right? Here you see that there is an instrument. Here you see, to put this thread into the needle, and you can see this instrument in the tailor shop, right? You see, this is the instrument in which we can put the thread within a second. You see, there is a loop here. You see here. You can see this one. If you see very carefully that there is a loop in here. See that there is a loop here. You see here. There is a loop. In this loop, you have to put the thread and pull it, and you can succeed in putting the thread in the needle. You see here, this is the needle, and you see this is the thread. What we do, put this loop in this needle. I am focusing it to see if you can see the loop, and this is the loop of wire. You see here, this is a loop of wire. You see here, right, and now we are putting the thread in the loop, right. We are putting the thread in the loop. You see here, this is the loop. You see here, this is the loop, right. Put the thread in the loop in this way. Here you see, there is a loop here. You can see this loop. See this one, there is a loop here, and now you pull it, and we succeed in taking this thread into the needle. And this is the magic of science, right. You can get this equipment in many online shop also with needle and this one. Let us try once again, and with this loop we can put the thread in the needle within a second. Let us take once again. Here you see, we are putting this loop into the hole of this needle, right. Here you can see that we have put the needle, put the loop in the needle. Now what we do, we have to put this thread in this loop. Put the thread, put the thread in this loop. Put the thread in the loop, right. Put the thread in the loop and try to bring this like this, right, and we put the thread in the needle within a second, right. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you once again. Dear friends, if you are a member of our channel, we'll make videos only for the member section. And you know that we have 3 membership plan. One is silver membership, gold membership and diamond membership. If you make such type of videos for your channel, then your videos will be viral within few days and your channel will be monetized. So be our members. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.